Okay, I'm sorry, I did not record myself when I made this mixture, but what you're gonna need is 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of arrowroot flour, and a little less than 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. And then you're gonna mix 1.5 cups of water, cool water anyway. And then you can add a little bit more water if you want to, if you want it more thin, a little more thin than what I'm making. But you have to be careful because it does fall apart very easily. And then to that mixture, you're gonna you're gonna add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then you mix it really well, and then you get rid of the bubbles as much as you can. And then when you pour it in the non-stick pan, actually the first wrapper that I did, I just sprayed it with cooking oil, and that's the only time that I put cooking oil on there, because this mixture already has oil in it. So when you pour it in the pan, make sure you spread it out really fast because it does cook really fast. And then I cover it up to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly, maybe about a minute depending on the stove. Oh, I set it between low to medium heat. And then when I uncover it, I just continue watching it until I see it's kind of like golden brown. And then flip it over, pat it down really good so that the rest of the surface of the wrapper is touching the pan, and then piled up on a plate. So when that pile cools, you can cut it in half with a pizza cutter. Now this mixture, it's not gonna, after rolling it, it's not gonna seal by using just eggs, flour, and water. So, because it's not floury. I mean, it's not like a regular flour. I don't know. Anyway, I just use the meat itself, and it works really well. This mixture, I got the idea of this mixture from Dr. Eric Berg's wife, because she bakes a lot of things using almond flour, coconut flour, and arrowroot flour. And this happens to work out really well because the other recipes that I tried, the wrapper got really thick and bready, and what I want is like really thin and crispy, like the regular Shanghai wrappers, lumpia wrappers to be specific. Anyway, I'm not on a keto diet, more like a low carb. I just try to really lessen the carb intake. So I still eat noodles, I still eat rice, but just not as much as I used to. This is not a keto channel. This is just random stuff that I'd like to share. So if you end up trying this recipe, and if you like it, or if you have any other suggestions or any concerns, please let me know, because I'm learning along the way as well. But just wanted to share this because I was pleased with the outcome. So I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.